After you are logged in, the first thing, if you want to add, this is the first screen that you will see. If you want to add a product, if you want to add a new product, you will simply go here, as you can see, and you will click on add new. It will take you to this following page. Here, this is the name of the product in the beginning, product name. As it says, you will write the product name, suppose product 1. Here you will write the long description for it, that is usually shown below the product at the end. Anything that you want to write here, any description. Here you will write the price of the product. For example, it is 10 KD or 10 US dollar. If you want to have a sale price for the product, for example, it used to be 15 but now it is 10 KD, then it will show the 15 and cross it, and with the sale label it will show that this product is now for 10 KD. This is the short description that is usually displayed on the side of the product, right on the other side of the image. You can type the main points here for the short description. On this side here, these are the product categories created. You can select in which categories they belong. They can belong to multiple categories or one categories. For example, this one, suppose. And if you want to set the main image for the product that is displayed as the featured image, you can see this product image tab here. You will click on set product image, and then you will select any product from the media library and set product image. This will be displayed as the main image. If you want to add a gallery for the images, like multiple images for one product, you will click below this main product image. You can see product gallery. You will click on add product gallery images, and after the media is loaded, you can select multiple images holding control button. As you can see, I have selected 5 images, add to gallery. Now they all will show as a gallery for this product. This one will be the featured image, the product image, and this is the gallery, product gallery. So this is as simple as that. This is the long description. This is the short description. This is the product image, and this is the gallery. So after all this, you will just click on publish, and after it is published, after it is published, your product, you can see your product on the website live. This is the long description. This is the short description on the side. As you can see, it is mentioned here, product short description. After you publish it, it will refresh and the product has been published. You can view your product from here. It will be displayed on the website. For example, this is the product. As you can see, this is the main image. The sale label is here because I have written the sale price and the regular price both. The regular price has been cut and the sale price is here. This is the short description that I told you that come on the side of the image. This is the long description below the product, in which you can write details, and these are the gallery images. As you can see, multiple, as I have added a gallery. So it is that simple as that.